In today's video, I'm going to show you how to message people or send them text messages on TikTok. Messaging on TikTok is similar to Snapchat. Sending text message on TikTok is pretty simple. The first thing you'll need to have in order to be able to text message on TikTok is that you should download TikTok application on your device first and make sure you have an account. You can easily create an account using your phone number, email address, or log in using Facebook account. Simply go and tap open your TikTok application and sign into your account if necessary. Once you sign into your account, in order to send a text message in TikTok, you'll have to be friends or follow the following account, the particular account that you would like to send a text message to. Simply visit one of your friends' profile, and once you end up in one of your friends' profile, you can simply tap on the message button in order to send a text message to them. Simply tap it on and you'll be able to see that you've ended up in the conversation screen. Go ahead and type in a message that you'd like to send and simply tap on the airplane kind of thing at the right corner. But remember that to be able to send text message on TikTok, the user should be above 16 years old and you should have to set up a valid phone number to send text messages. If the contact you're trying to send a text message has disabled the text message option in their TikTok, then you won't be able to send or receive text message from them.